Do you remember seeing Yiddish newspapers around the home?
Oh, yes. And my mother would read things from the forward. One of the things about, and I believe this was the forward, is that in order to sell papers, sometimes you have to have a kind of an interesting, intriguing headline. And they always had something about so-and-so is Jewish. Well, Frank Sinatra's not Jewish. And some of these people, I mean, it was kind of outlandish to say it, but it certainly would sell papers, you know. My mother would read the Bintel Brief. The Bintel Brief were letters that people wrote about tragic occurrences in their family or issues they had that were really challenging about American life. They also had a section at one time about missing husbands. And that's why, you know, and this grandma, my mother's mother, was like she stepped out of the Bintel Brief. It was, you know, high drama, unfortunately. The In Search of ads, I thought that was amazing. That why would anybody put that in the newspaper? Except this, they're in the Washington Post now as well, and it would be ads like so-and-so is a widower and he's with the 2 children and he makes a living and he would like to meet a nice European woman who can cook and clean and stuff like that. And we always thought that they were kind of funny and interesting, you know.
So they would, your mother would translate the Bintel Brief for you?
Yes, yes. But they did not give us a whole lot of Yiddish education because that would have messed things up. They couldn't tell secrets over our head.